Reclaim your independence with Next Day Access, your trusted accessibility and mobility experts. Next Day Access is a leading provider of wheelchair ramps, bath safety, and in-home lifts, inside and outside your home. From the first phone call to the final installation, we pride ourselves on providing customized solutions and unconditional support. Our certified trained technicians will conduct an in-home safety assessment and discuss your next steps to creating an accessible home. At Next Day Access, safety, functionality, and independence are at the forefront of every custom solution. Our technicians will take care of the hard work to provide you with a professional installation that keeps you safe in your home for years to come. Whether your need is permanent because of limited mobility or temporary because of an injury, Next Day Access is there for you. Visit our website or call one of our local experts today to schedule your in-home safety assessment.